Several years back, I took a tie rod end and made my own forged hammer out of it. I know I could buy one pretty inexpensively, most likely from China, and who knows how good the forgings would be. And since I wouldn't use it very often, I thought, well, I had this tie rod end laying around, so went and cut the end off here and made it a cross peen on the back and welded it on here really well. And it's a nice little hammer for the tool bag, bouncing around in the truck. So today I'm going to make another one. I got a couple of tie rod ends here. You could probably just go to a place that does alignments and ask them if you could have some out of their scrap bin. I'm sure they wouldn't care. So I got a couple here and I marked them off with a Sharpie. I take an angle grinder with a cutoff wheel and go ahead and make a couple of cuts there, and I'm going to go ahead and weld that on there, make a hammer out of it. Before making your cuts, you want to wear some eye protection, and it wouldn't be a bad idea to have some hearing protection as well. Okay, I got the pieces cut up there, and I'm pretty satisfied that that's how I want it to be. So they're all rough yet. I'm going to take them to the bench grinder, smooth them down a little bit, and then put a tack weld on there, and then weld that very, very well. And that'll be a forged hammer. Okay, I have it mocked up here, and I'm going to just tack weld it with the wire feed. Then I'm going to come back with the stick welder and get a good heat penetration on there. I take a flap wheel here on the angle grinder and then clean up the grind marks. Okay, got the head welded on there with a stick welder. Did pretty good. It's a little bit rough, so I'm going to take the flap wheel on there, and I'm going to clean up the welding there a little bit, make it look a little nicer. And when that's all done, I'm going to take and spray it with some clear polyurethane, and that'll keep it from rusting.